Hi, I'm so happy that you've landed on this page. Let me tell you a little bit about myself and why I'm here giving you this information today. Hi, my name's Alicia Rafiei. If you're not familiar with my story, I'm an online business owner who runs and owns multiple businesses here online. One of those being a successful online store. I've helped others just like you create and launch an online store using Shopify. By going through the process of building and launching my own Shopify stores, I have found and created a system that really works. A system that I'm really excited to teach. Through my content on YouTube and through free online training such as this one, I'm able to help you get your online store up and running and ready for sales. So if you're here right now and guessing you're a beginner, you've got big dreams of launching your dream online store so you can start selling your amazing creative or handmade product, create more income and spend more time with your family. Well, guess what, my friend? You're in the right place. By going through the easy to follow, actionable, step-by-step tutorials in this free course, you'll have your customized online store up and running in no time. So by the end of this course, you'll have opened up a free 14-day account with Shopify, select and customized your free theme, set up your store's preferences, settings, pages, and menus, and have it all ready for you to start uploading your amazing products. Okay, so now you know how this course can help you. I've got one question for you, my friend. Are you ready to start building your dream online store? If you answered a hell yeah, then click the registration link and I'll see you inside.